This class we are learning about document refreshing. Document refreshing. Remember, we are still here at Palm Hopes Foundation, Elite Schools, and we are making computing easy. I'm still your friend, Ahebwa Martin. This is my number, and this is my email address. So let's continue. Document refreshing. We have a meta tag. A meta tag can be used to specify a duration after which your web page will keep refreshing automatically. A meta tag can be used to specify a duration after which your web page will keep refreshing automatically. So an example, let's see an example here. Let's see an example. If you want your page to keep refreshing after 5 seconds, then use the following syntax, meaning that every 5 seconds we want it to refresh or to restart. So let us copy it. Let us copy it. I copy it here. Then we bring it to code here. So we replace it with this, and then we save. So you see, refresh content equals 5. So let's say that let's go and run. Let's run it. Let's run it. So I think you can see. So now let's say that we have changed it to have 1. Let's say that we have changed it to have 1, and I come back here and I refresh. Now let you see. You see how it is refreshing? Keep your eyes on the refreshing button. This button, you see how it is refreshing, meaning that every after 1 second it should refresh the browser, the web page. So let us continue. I think we have seen the advantage of that. Page redirection. You can use meta tag to redirect your page to any other page. You can use your meta tag to redirect your page to any other web page. You can also specify a duration. If you want to redirect the page after a certain number of seconds, so example, we have an example here. They are saying that following is an example of a redirecting current page to another page after 5 seconds. If you want to redirect page immediately, then do not specify content attribute. So now let me highlight this. So let me highlight this. I copy it. I bring it here, paste it, press enter. Then I come back and highlight also the remaining one. So this one. So I copy it and I bring it here and I paste it. So I save changes. So it means that I want my page to be refreshing, and after refreshing, it should go back to the original URL. That is what we are meaning. It should go back to the original website. Let's say that I have been on a page, for example, I have been on a school website, but now I have been on About Us page. And now on the About Us page, I want it every time it refreshes, it should go back to what we call a home page. So every after 5 seconds, refresh and go back to the home page. And in the other one, we were refreshing just by not going to the original page. So this is what it means. So if I save changes here and I come back here and I refresh, if I refresh here, now the reason why it is saying that this site is not available, not no internet, but this site is not available. It is refreshing, but now the site is not available. That is why it is bringing it into this format. It is coming to this site to this way. So the site is not there. But if the site was that okay, and I have and the internet was there, then it would be refreshing and going to the original one. So let's continue. I think you have got it. Setting cookies. So cookies are data. Cookies are data. Setting cookies. So we say that cookies are data stored in a small text files on your computer, and it is exchanged between web browser and web server. Keep track of various information based on your web application needs. You can use meta tag to store cookies on client side, and later this information can be used by the web server to track a site visitor. So let's continue. So that is the importance of cookies. So let's say example. Following is an example of a redirecting current page to another page after 5 seconds. If you want to redirect page immediately, then do not specify content attributes. So that is what they are trying to mean. So let's say, let me select this and I copy it. Copy. Then I bring this code to my here. Let me copy this code and then I bring it here. in the head section. So like this HTML, head opening and then head closing, head closings. Then we're having this title and then this meta. So now if we save changes, now we are having it also here revised, meta name revised and content this one. So if we come here and refresh this site, so let us go back and open code website, open meta. So HTML version 5. So it is not refreshing because it has no, the other timing, the timing is not there. So that is why it is not refreshing. So my friends, I hope that you have been able to learn something. Thank you so much for learning. Thank you so much for staying here at PalmOps Foundation Elite Schools. I'm still your friend here as Ahebwa Martin, and I promise to be there each and every time here at PalmOps Foundation Elite Schools. Continue to like, continue to share, continue to subscribe, and continue to call others to attend such free computerized content, computer practical skills for all. I stay as your friend and I remain as your friend Ahebwa Martin. Bye for now.